Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove head in 2024 free headless character. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna first type right here headless, okay? And I'm gonna just type it right here and I'm gonna search it in the marketplace. In the marketplace you're gonna see a lot of shapes and way to custom your own like headless picture or avatar for your Roblox. And as you can see right here, you can buy whatever you want for your avatar right here, and you can see it for the 99 Roblox currency, right? And you can see something just like this one, and just go ahead and buy it and or add it to your card, right? And if you want to custom another thing, which is hands that move, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead right here and I'm gonna type hands that moves, right? And I'm gonna just search it in the marketplace, and basically what's gonna happen, you can just find it right here that you're gonna see a hands, like you can shape it in the shape like of a face, right? And you're gonna just see something just like this, and you get to be able to add it to your catalog, or add it to your avatar as a character of yourself. And you could just go ahead and just type a hoodie right here in the marketplace and just choose it with your headless avatar right here, right? So as you can see right here, I'm gonna just wait it out until the processing is done. And basically the same drill, you can just go ahead and and take the hoodie or take the jacket on and just basically implement it on your headless in the hand that moves with your character. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.